In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add vacation responder in Gmail if you're stepping away from your inbox for a few days. Setting up an automatic reply lets people know when you'll be back and how to reach help in the meantime. Here's how to get it done clearly and confidently. First, open Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're signed in to the account you want to manage. Look to the upper right corner and click the gear icon to open Settings. A quick settings panel appears. From there, click See All Settings to open the full settings dashboard. You'll land on the General tab, which is exactly where you need to be. Scroll down until you find the Vacation Responder section. This is the control panel for your away message. Turn the Vacation Responder to On, which makes the rest of the fields active. Now set your first day. This is the date when the auto replies will begin. If you already know when you'll be back, you can also set a last day. That end date is optional, but it's useful because Gmail will stop sending auto replies automatically at the end of that day. If you leave the last day blank, the responder stays on until you come back and turn it off manually. Next, add a clear subject. Something like out of office or on vacation until date works well, so the purpose is obvious at a glance. Then write your message. Keep it short, friendly, and helpful. Consider including when you'll return and, if appropriate, a general alternate point of contact or where to find urgent help. Avoid sharing personal details you wouldn't want forwarded. Below the message, you'll see an option to only send to contacts. Turning this on limits your auto-reply to people in your contacts list, which helps prevent sending responses to newsletters, mailing lists, or unknown senders. If you want everyone who emails you to get the message, leave it unchecked. When everything looks right, click Save Changes. That's it, your auto-replies are now active. You'll see a banner at the top of Gmail reminding you that the vacation responder is on, and you can return here anytime to adjust dates, update your message, or turn it off. While it's on, Gmail will automatically reply to incoming messages with the subject and text you set, helping manage expectations while you're away. Enjoy the peace of mind knowing your inbox is covered, and when you're back, just return to the same settings area to turn the vacation responder off.